Hey all, today let me show the all-new Jupiter ZX 2021 updated version. Jupiter is one of most popular model in scooter market and company's top selling product also. Jupiter have various models from basic to top classic model. Now company rolled out update to its ZX variant with few useful features that may come in other models in future. Before telling about the new features, let me go through basic spec. Jupiter is a 110cc single-cylinder scooter with CVT automatic gear. This one have ABS6 engine delivers 5.88 kW power at 7,500 RPM. ZX is a mid-variant in Jupiter lineup. It have 12-inch tubeless alloy wheels at front and back. It have a drum brake at back, and in new update Jupiter gets the option of a disc brake at front yet again. The alloy wheels of TVS are very stylish among all models available in market. As mentioned earlier, in this update Jupiter gets disc brake, which is of 220 mm diameter provides efficient braking. Apart from that, company added reflectors at both sides as per safety norms. The headlight is full LED, comes with always-on feature. Besides a front disc brake, scooter also gets new feature in the form of a ACG starter generator. Like the Honda Activa 6G, the Jupiter now gets a starter generator instead of a starter motor. The iTouch ACG starter generator is connected directly to the crankshaft, which removes the starting noise and offers an instant and silent starting operation. The other controls and switches remain same as in previous BS6 edition. The semi-digital instrument cluster shows eco mode, time, trip meters in digital and speed in analog form. The scooter comes with synchronized braking system and integrated park brake. It also gets a new feature, an all-in-one ignition lock, from which you can now lock the ignition, handlebar, open seat and fuel tank cap without removing key. It have a 21-liter underseat storage bin, underseat USB charger, and LED lighting. Scooter also comes with an external fuel filler cap, as in other models. We can also lock handlebar as previous. With all these updates, ZX disc now costs 3,950 rupees more than ZX BS6 drum variant. The new variant comes in 3 colors, Matte Starlight Blue and Royal Wine. The TVS Jupiter ZX disc competes with the Honda Activa 6G. The ACG starter generator is a value addition which we reckon will soon be offered in other variants of the Jupiter soon. Thank you for watching.